What's up, guys? Only a couple more hours left till our big car meet with Harper College. Not gonna lie, even though police are gonna be there, I'm still a little nervous about it. But you know, it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good time. It's nice and sunny out. But yeah, I'm just walking my dog and getting ready, and I'll see you guys there. We are with the Type R homies. Martin just arrived with May and Reese. Ooh. What's up, Royce? Where's your girl?
Huh?
She working?
Yeah.
So
Just me.
just you.
My nephews are.
Oh, your nephew's in there? Hey! Look at the gram lights.
What up, Serge?
What's up, Warren? How are you?
Good to see you.
Dude, the wheels looks nice on this.
Doesn't it? That's what I was thinking.
She'll never give it back to you now.
Yeah, right. Until it's time to get rid of the
Oh,
car.
yeah.
Hey, we going inside?
Oh, I don't think you can go inside in there.
There is no inside.
Yeah, it's just
There's no way to get in there.
it's just drive through.
Oh.
Yeah, I tried.
Okay.
They looked at me like they thought I was gonna hold up the place.
Hi, Serge. What's that?
I started going.
Nice wheels.
Thanks. Look familiar, huh?
Damn, bro. You should make the FRS look like that, bro.
Did you hit an F shifter?
Yeah.
No. That's the strip club.
Oh, that is clean right there.
You know what?
That is clean.
Hey, you know whose car is this?
What was this? Which model?
She has the anti-social on the top.
I don't know. I don't know any guy. I don't know guys.
Here's an update. Finally made it here. Not many cars yet, but the show hasn't started, so here we are. Cops are over there. Okay, here's the update. There's more people here now. Check this out. Okay, here's another update. Who knew there's a Lamborghini showing up here? My nose is dripping. I can't feel my hands. Actually, I can feel my hands, but it's cold. But check out this turnout, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is crazy. Look at all these people, man. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for all the love right here. Wow. Appreciate you guys. Look at that.
Yeah, it's fine, yeah. This top
That's very cool.
cheese plate, I think was like $2,500.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Dude, cinema camera stuff is so
Is that the case for it?
This is the case.
It's like a luggage, man.
It's as big as my truck because the camera doesn't come with this. It just comes body only. You gotta put all that stuff. It's mine very expensive back in the day. Not now. But back in the day, I'm telling you what it
That
is.
is awesome. Well, it's getting cold and everybody just left now. But good turnout. Pretty good turnout. Okay, we left the meet pretty early. It's only like 8-ish right now. That's because we stopped letting people in right now, and everybody got kicked out basically. It's cold anyway.
Might as well vlog real quick.
What's going on,
What's up,
John?
man? It's fucking Gat right now, bro.
What is going on?
Dude, it's literally Gat. Oh, dude, look at Legend, bro. What's the fuck?
Oh my bad. I don't know.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go.
I know Martin's inside right now.
Oh, okay.
Everyone's inside right now.
God.
Bro, this shit is so good. You broke my fucking neck. I don't know if you saw that.
Yeah, bro.
Damn, everybody's Filipino, bro.
Hello.
He's the fully driven. He's the one that.
Oh, you're fully German?
How do you say it?
Huh?
Yeah, he's the one that started the meet.
Suko, kainin,
Kusuko, kainin,
ang pek-pek mo.
I'm back.
Oh damn, bro. That's
What does that
bastos,
mean,
bro.
What does that mean?
How to eat your vagina.
aftermath of the meet.
Don't know how to fucking work.
It's like a club.
We'll start off with the Brazilian.
Right to the camera. So you can see himself on YouTube.
Say hi, bro.
Say fully driven. Say fully driven.
Fully driven. No, it didn't.
Hey guys. Nice. Here, pass it up.
Rigging. Kimchi. Kimchi. What happened? What you got it on your hand?
All right.
Alright,
Cheers, fully driven.
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Alright.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
Salud.